What's up, you guys? It's your girl Cora B, and I am here to give you a whole house tour update while living on Section 8. Oh my God. Can I really live like this on Section 8? Yes, you absolutely can. So, do you have to live in the hood while on Section 8? No, you do not. You do not have to live in anyone's hood. You do not have to listen to the sirens. You do not have to hear the helicopters, gunshots, any of those things. I live in a perfectly great, quiet area. Do you understand that? This is my house, and I have the garage open due to the fact because I have kittens or cats and they're males and they keep spraying and I do not like it. So, as of right now, we are walking up to the home and we're going to see what it looks like in the inside. Let's go. So when you first walk in, you're going to see a small little area. It's very, very small, but that is the hallway to the door. And when you turn to this side, you're going to see the dining room. And this is the eating area, and my children do not eat in here, so it's more for like decoration, I guess. But I love those high ceilings. That is what got me, because the high ceilings, it was like really, really nice, and I really, really like it. So it look a little messy in here, but that's okay. Kids go to school, and I have a shoe rack right here because I do not like my children walking up the stairs on the carpet with their shoes on. I feel like in anyone's home that have carpet, you must have your shoes off. That's just something with me. I've always been that way. But yeah, this is the way my living room look. And when you go this way, now you can see the door. I have salt on my door, and I have a cinnamon broomstick. For those that know, they know. That's to keep me protected, and I stay protected at all times. So this is the way everything looks. And it's just a normal house. It's a normal house. It's just really, really normal. That's all. When you go to this side, you have this is another small area. So this is the first bathroom, bathroom number one. And it's really small. It's a half bath, and I like it. It comes with a sink, and it's just for company. Like when you have company over, this is the bathroom that they use. After you leave out the bathroom, then you do have the laundry room. The laundry room is pretty small in there, but it fits both my wash machine and my dryer, so I'm grateful for that. And you can't sit in there, but it's a nice little area for it. So after you come out of the laundry room, you will be greeted, I know, right? Greeted into the living room. And this is my living room. And I like this living room. It's really small, but it's perfect for me and my children. This home is 1,900 square feet, 3.5 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, a dining room, and a loft. You also have a laundry room with the door. So I really like that about this house. I don't like the floors because I like carpet throughout my house, but that's neither here or there. In this area going towards the kitchen, this is a breakfast nook. It could be a bar too, with some bar stools, but this is a breakfast nook. And I like the breakfast nook. It's really like you just like 3 bar stools, and I got a lot of stuff right there, but that's neither here or there either. This is my kitchen, and I love my kitchen. I love the fact that I have a counter in the middle of the kitchen. I really need that. That's where I cook at. And even when I take all of my groceries, I cook there as well. But this is what sold me far as the home. This is the reason why I was like, I want this house. And I love it. I love it. So over here, you go to the pantry, and the pantry is dark, of course. But this is where all the food is at, and also my herbs. I keep my herbs in the pantry. So yeah, that's my teas and stuff. But this area is my kitchen area. This is where the kids eat at. They eat only in the kitchen. They could eat in the dining room, but I prefer just eat in the kitchen, and we can clean it up. That's just how I feel about it. So yeah, this is my kitchen, you guys. Looking at this angle, it is a pretty nice kitchen. It's a nice size for me and my children. I love the counters, and I love the cabinets. I love the color of the cabinets. The brownness, that's me. I'm earth sign, so that's me. This is my garage, and my garage is a 2-car garage. It is a bit messy, a lot of messy out here. you excuse the go-kart. The go-kart, their father brought that for them, and I took my refrigerator that I brought that from El Paso to here. So I have two refrigerators, but that goes with me because I brought that with it. What do you want? What is it that you want? She's going to come feed you. I'm not. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take you to the backyard, but this is the way my kitchen is. And going into the backyard, this is what you see. Now, I really do not like the backyard. The backyard to me is more like a townhome. It came with no grass. I asked them to put grass out, and that's what they did. But that's neither here or there. I'm not complaining. I'm just grateful that I'm able to barbecue and things in the backyard. I do have to sweep this area, but it's the winter time as of right now, so that is neither here or there. Another thing I didn't like is this creek back here. I do not like the creek, but that's for, I guess, where you have when they flush the toilet or whatnot, or something about when they don't, so it won't flood. This is a no flood zone in this area that I live in. So that's what I like about the area as well. So again, this is the way it looks. Leaving the kitchen, you go right back to the dining room. And that's what I love about this house. Another thing I love about this dining room is how low the window sits. I love that. But overall, I love this dining room. I am so ready to take y'all upstairs to my favorite place. Of course, your favorite place is upstairs because it's so comfortable to just be upstairs. So once you walk upstairs, you have the loft. This is my loft. And I love this is a peaceful area for me. This is where I record my videos majority of the time, like when I'm doing my manifestation videos and my just simply heartfelt videos. I am up here in my own domain. I just love this area. This is another part of the house that got me. I was just like, I am going to be up here. I said that this was supposed to be for the children, but overall, they really just be outside and in their rooms. They really don't be out in the loft area. I used to have to make them sit in the loft area. This is the second bathroom of the house. And this is their bathroom. This is the girls' bathroom. I gave them this bathroom because it's the house bathroom, well, basically for them. And that is the reason why they have the upstairs bathroom, because they share a bathroom. And then we go into bedroom number one, which is the girls' bedroom. And this is a nice size area bedroom for them. Their room is a little junky, but they're cleaning it. So I don't do bedrooms for my children. The last time I cleaned their bedroom was in El Paso. And I said that I am not cleaning y'all bedroom anymore. Y'all are going to do it because y'all are old enough to make it happen for yourself. This is their little closet. They share a closet. And as you can see, they are very, very organized. It's really my Capricorn twin. But they're very, very organized. And that's what I love about them because I am not organized. I'm a Capricorn, but I can get organized. I'm just not organized. My brain sometimes be scattered. But this is their bedroom that they share. And I'm okay with that. And then we go back out to the loft, which I love. And we go ahead and we proceed to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is just for one person. Two people couldn't fit in here. I would have put both of the girls in here because of the bathroom that's in here. But I believe that they should have shared a bathroom. But my daughter, I'm glad that I did it this way with the help of someone talking to me about it. But yeah, she needed her own little space. So this is what she got. And this is her bathroom. So this is the third bathroom of the house. The third bathroom. And it's a full bathroom. So she has her tub, her shower, her sink. And then she has her little walk-in closet. So I'm grateful for that. She has a lot of space in there, a whole lot of space in there. So she enjoys her bedroom and her bathroom. Nobody bothers her. Her sisters do bother her, but that's whatever. They siblings. They'll fight and argue and get it all together. And then we're going to go into the master bedroom, which is my bedroom. Excuse the mess. It is what it is. I was cleaning it up today and I did clean it up. It's not to par the way that it should be, but it is what it is. Sorry, on Section 8, we have socks in places that we don't want our socks at.
because we forget to take them downstairs. No, we didn't forget. We actually dropped it and just didn't pick it up. I love this part of my bedroom. The reason why, because I can actually sit there. I just put stuff there. It's convenient for me and it needs to be cleaned up. I understand that. Don't talk about me. So then we're gonna go ahead and go into my master bathroom. I have a his and hers sink. I love it. I have a lot of cabinet space. I love that as well about this home. I really, really do. I love the fact that it is really, really big. Like my bathroom is big. Like it's really, really big. And I love that part about the house. This is what sold me as well. I have a lot of cabinet space in the closet. And then I have a walk-in closet. It's messy in here too. I am going to organize it. Just not today, okay? Not today. But you can actually fit like a little small size little futon in this closet if you wanted to. Like if there was just like maybe 6, 7 people in this house, you could do that. I love the fact this tub. When I tell y'all this tub was another thing that sold me, it would have been nice if it had jacuzzi. If it was a jacuzzi tub. But I'm grateful. I'm so grateful for what I have. I'm telling y'all can live any type of way you want to live on Section 8, but why live like you have nothing? Just live beautifully. Everybody deserves nice things. I love the fact that my shower is separated from my bathtub. And also, my tub is separated from everything, including the other side where the sink is. So, I love that about this
So
house.
that concludes our whole tour while on Section 8. I just want to let you all know that just because you're on Section 8 does not mean you have to live in the hood at all. You really do not have to live in the hood, everyone. If you have Section 8 or if you're just now getting the voucher, I encourage everyone to live as nice as you can. That's what you're supposed to do. They have us thinking that we're supposed to live in the hood and where it's supposed to be where liquor stores is on every single corner, or we're supposed to listen to ambulances and we're supposed to hear gunshots and we're supposed to hear, you know what I'm saying, the cops and stuff like that. No, you don't have to. And actually, if you want me to be honest, housing literally encourages you to live nice. They don't encourage you to live like where, well, for me, and I've then been to two cities in the same state, and neither one of them wanted me to live in the hood. They said, make sure you're in a nice area, a great school, a great community for you and your children. And literally, that's exactly what I did. I did not live in the hood. And I am so grateful that I was able to manifest the house that I do have. I don't have much in this house, and that's okay. I'm grateful for that. But guess what? You do have people that are living on Section 8 and they're just balling out. And that's great for them if that's what they can do. Me personally, I'm not trying to live like the Jones until I get the Jones money. Okay. And I am manifesting the Jones money. When I leave my Section 8 housing, I want to have enough money where I can buy me a house, purchase me a home free and clear, mortgage free. That is my plan, and I can literally do the things that I desire for me and my children. Me going to work right now, I can't do that because I just had a baby and I was on bed rest last year, the whole year. And I had only been, this is like my second year living in this house. So I can't work right now, and that's fine. I just had a baby. And then last year I was on bed rest. But other than that, I plan on doing some big things for the year of 2024, but I am letting you all know that if you have Section 8, you can move anywhere you want to move. You could be wherever it is that you desire to be. You do not have to live in anyone's hood. I am here to tell you that. So if you want to move, you can move. If you want to port, you could port. But whatever you get, if they're going to help you until you can get on your feet and get yourself together, take that opportunity and do what you have to do. Now, you have some people that's on Section 8 and they just choose to never get off. That's fine. Me, I gave myself a 5 year plan. In 5 years, I will be off of Section 8. And the way it's looking now, it might not even be 5 years. It might be me going into my third year, the way things are looking right now. So I am so excited for what's here. I am so grateful for what I have. I do not feel ashamed for what I have. And a lot of people will make you try to, a lot of people will make you feel ashamed that you're on Section 8. A lot of people will talk about you. A lot of people will just belittle you. But as long as you got this and you stay strong, can't nobody say nothing bad about you. It won't even matter, because a lot of times those people that talk about you are really eternally upset within themselves. They are eternally hateful. They are eternally angry. They are eternally bitter. And as long as you continuously to manifest daily what it is that your heart desire, I promise you, you can have it. Don't allow anybody to affect you in what you have. I didn't have people tell me the government taking care of my children, the government taking care of me, and I simply don't give a damn. If that's how you feel, that's how you feel. But let me tell you something, baby. I am blessed to have what I have, and I am blessed to not be living in the hood, and I am blessed to be able to give my children the opportunity to see something different from where I came from. You understand what I'm saying now? We have been traveling. Me and my children have lived everywhere. But to be able to live and be comfortable until I'm able to get everything for me to be able to get everything that my heart desire. That's all that matters to me. I don't feel like I should struggle after I leave the Section 8. You know what I mean? Like after Section 8 is over for me, I'm not struggling. I'm not going to struggle. It's going to be exactly what I want it to be. So I'm encouraging you all. If you're just now getting your voucher, I'm encouraging you all. If you are on Section 8 and you live in the hood, leave. You don't have to be in the hood. And there's nothing wrong with the hood. You got some people that just love it there. Me personally, I have children. I have to take care of them. I have to make it where they are not going to grow up and become their environment. So I am going to do the best that I can as their mother to keep them away from certain things. I understand that they might go towards certain things, but it won't be on my watch. It's going to be because that's what they chose to do. I didn't have them there. So, with that being said, I really thank you all for watching this house tour video while living on Section 8. And if you like this video and you would like to see more, give me 2 thumbs up. Please subscribe and like and share it as well. And I will see y'all later. Goodbye.